Hi, this is Lock Peeking Scowl. I'm going to pick this carbon that I got from Chris Capune. I hope you can see it. Try not to. Looks like a wafer lock. And whenever I do a wafer lock, I usually take the pick and try and figure out if it's one-sided or two-sided. This one appears to be one-sided. That way I know where to put my tension wrench. And I can slide it right in there. Let's try this again. And we're open. And that's the carbon. I love the color of this. I was thinking about taking this to the locksmith and seeing if I can get a key. Unless anybody knows what kind of key I need, if you could post it in the comments, that would be great. Because I would like to try some impressing. So, and that's the carbon. Thank you.